Hello and welcome to my kitchen. This is Jordana and we are here another day for another delicious recipe. And this time is the turn for bacalao al pil pil or cod pil pil style. In the northwest part of Spain we love cod, apart from hake, and this is one of the most popular dishes over there. And the way we start, we put 2/3 of oil, frying oil, of the thickness of the fish. So if the fish is this thick, we would do 2/3 of oil. We will heat it up, which is now hot, and we will add garlic and a dry chili. We put down the heat and we'll let it brown for a few minutes. Once that the garlic have browned, then what we will do is we'll remove off the heat and we will let it cool down. Okay, so now my garlic are now brown. I don't know if you can see from there, they're brown. So I'll turn off the heat. I'll remove the garlic and the chili, the dried chili, from the pot. What we will do, we will let the oil cool completely. It needs to be completely cooled down. Once that is cooled down is when we can start cooking our cod, but it has to be cold, remember. Okay, so now the oil has cooled down and we're going to start preparing the dish. But first, what I wanted to say is I have my salted cod that I have put in water for about 3 days to remove the excess salt. I have changed the water at least twice a day, 2-3 times a day. Where can you get salted cod from? Well, I usually get it from the Asian shops, but my local Asian shop didn't have one, or didn't have any. I also get it from a Spanish website in the UK, which they didn't have it either. So I have to get it from a different website, which I never buy from. And of course, I didn't know it, and I got odd bits of cod. Not the best, not the worst, but of different thickness, which ideally you would want the back of the cod with pieces that are more or less the same thickness. But as I always say, we have to make do with what we got, and this is what we have today. So we start by heating up the oil, and we're gonna start putting the pieces of cod skin up. See, that doesn't look good because it's too thick, but this is what we have. This is what we have, this is what we'll use. Okay, and we kind of make room for every single piece. My pot is not gigantic. Ideally, the best thing would be to have a terracotta pot. In terracotta pot, this would be done perfectly. And remember, you have to put the skin up and put the heat down. And this is what we do. We need to keep moving the pot. And what will this do is we'll go on top of the skin and we'll get the jelly of the skin. It will mix with the oil and it will make a sauce. It will create a really lovely sauce. How long do you need to do this for? Until you get a thick sauce. Then you just leave it until the cod is tender. This piece is far too thick. I don't know how this is gonna cook, but we do what we have to do with what we got, as I always say. So you can also put the lid on top so the oil does not come off your pot. But yes, you do something like this. So prepare your arm, because you may be here for about 15-20 minutes. You may change arm if you want to. Let's see how it goes. So just to give you an idea, we don't want the oil to boil. Just to give you an idea, I've been doing it for a couple of minutes, and this is how it's looking now. You see, it's forming a sauce. So this is what we want, but we want something better, something thicker. So lots of shake it, move it, groove it, baby. Have a dance as well. It's all fun, and it's going to be delicious in the end. I have been doing this for about 15 minutes, and look what we got. Isn't it lovely? We got a thick sauce. See that? The color? That's basically it. Just by shaking the pot with oil and the cod, this is what you get. It's beautiful. So I think the sauce is fine now. You can shake it a bit more for another 5 minutes if you want to, but I think the sauce is perfect. There's no oil hanging around, separated, so it's good to go. So I'm going to cook it in low heat until the cod itself is soft and cooked. So I'll cover it and let it cook there. Right, so it hasn't been long, it's been about 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you. This is what we got. Let me turn off the heat. There it is, nicely done. And I'm not going to finish it here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it looks when I serve it. So I'm going to get one of the big pieces. And a bit more like that. Another smaller piece. See that? I'm going to show you the sauce. It is nice. And you can serve these with boiled potatoes. Although my husband once made it with cocoyam, boiled cocoyam on the side, and it was delicious. It fitted it perfectly. And I know it's not very Spanish, cocoyam, but if it goes with the dish, why not change it? Why not use it? Right? Look at this. If you were here and you would smell this, you would be amazed. So we then put potatoes on the side, and this will be a winner, believe you me. So if you like this dish and you like our page, our channel, please do subscribe, do give us a like, share with the world. We are here to share the love for food. You know, lockdown again, what can we do? Let's eat. It's fun cooking, it gets people together, and it's amazing. So let's keep it up and keep on cooking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.